when they start to think about meditation and spiritual practice, then very often they think that meditation is the only thing that you can do spiritual practices. And there's many meditational practices, but basically what it means is just to train the mind to be here and to know. Yeah? So you're not really meditating in order to go to a special place or to have special experiences. You're meditating for the sake of being conscious of the experiences that your mind is making, you know? And especially to slowly with time, for the mind to be able to calm down and then to see that what seems to be so separate from the mind and out there is actually not separate from the mind. Yeah? That the way you perceive the world is not so much out there, but how the mind perceives your world, perceives the world. That it's actually your mind creating the world. Yeah. So I think that's what many people misunderstand. I hear people say who practice for a while, they say, oh, I know I'm not practicing enough. And then I ask them, well, why? What are you doing? Oh, I'm not meditating. So the meditation definitely is part of the practice in order to integrate what we hear intellectually, but it's just a part of the practice. It's not the whole thing.
So you said some of this, but I'll ask again to make it. How do you see the practice of meditation in the larger context of Buddhist teaching?
Well, for example, you know, if you look at the six perfections, then meditation is one of them. But first you have generosity, and then you have ethical conduct, and then you have patience, and then you have enthusiastic effort, and then only concentration comes, and then with the concentration you have the wisdom. Or if you look at what is called the three higher trainings, is ethical conduct, and then is concentration, and then is wisdom. So again, it's like first we have to really learn how to behave in this world before you can really meditate. Because sometimes also, you know, some people think if they have problems in their life and all they need to